This is the solution to the second installment from 1896, White to Checkmate in 3 moves. Well, what we really would like to be able to do here, and this is why it's nothing like I mentioned in the preliminary short, is to deliver checkmate. The problem there is black can just take the pawn. So what we need to do is to contrive a situation where that pawn is immune to capture. How do we do it? Well, the key move quite simply is this. And then what we're threatening is checkmate. Now, let's just take it from left to right. Supposing he moves this pawn. Checkmate. Agreed? Yeah. Supposing he takes the rook. What do you do here? Well, now you play here. And if you remember what I said in the first short, we'd like to get our queen onto the back rank and deliver checkmate. Well, that's precisely what we're planning on doing, isn't it? Of course, he can take it, but you see in taking it, he exposes himself to e5 mate. Isn't that a beaut? So really, taking the queen is no good at all. So this is after rook b2 threatening e5. So taking the rook and taking the queen just don't work. What else does he have? Well, supposing he took the pawn here. What do we do then? How do we work this one out? Can you see the solution to that? Well, it's queen c3 check. And what does he have? Well, he has to interpose the rook. And then that's mate. No doubt about that. So that doesn't work. Finally, well, in fact, if he plays here, that must be pointed out. That's checkmate as well. So don't leave that one out. The final one is this. How do we deal with this? Well, we deal with this rather ingeniously. We play here, check, and then there is just no defense to what is coming. If he puts the rook or the pawn in the way, you get him on the back rank. If he puts that there, then we can get him like that. If he interposes the rook, well, we just take it. And that is a very neat problem indeed. Just note that the key move of rook d4 doesn't work because you can't play queen c3. Just work that one out. Watch out for the next problem in this.